This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, January 31st. Stock index futures under a little pressure today. Some of this may be due to the political considerations that are very much in the news right now. We do feel that there is likely to be good support coming in the March S&P right around the 2250 to 2255 level. Longer term, we feel that stock indices will continue to advance, and this pressure that we've seen over the last few days will only be temporary. Moving over to the currency markets, we are seeing a dollar index under some pressure. And I think one of the main reasons why we have seen weakness recently is there apparently within the Trump administration is a policy that is not a strong dollar policy. In fact, it may be a weak dollar policy. So it looks like the U.S. is now joining the currency wars in an attempt to push down the value of the currency to one degree or another, as are other G7 countries to one degree or another doing the same. So we do believe that the dollar may have topped out for now, even though the Fed is still the only major central bank that is likely to raise rates this year. And in the debt markets, seeing some early pressure in the 30-year bonds, but more recently, some buying coming in as stock index futures coming under some pressure. So there appears to be a bit of a flight to quality bid coming into the bonds. Our belief is that with inflation likely to accelerate and the U.S. economy likely to improve at a better rate, that any gains that we do see in the bond market should be viewed as temporary and should be used as selling opportunities. Now, moving over to the precious metals, gold and silver having a very good day to the upside. Flight to quality, an influence. The inflation situation also very supportive. Of course, we did have Eurozone inflation numbers coming in very strong, quite a bit better than anticipated, coming in up 1.8% against the guess of up 1.5%. So global inflation is on the rise, and I think that is a situation that is very constructive for gold and silver. So continue to trade the precious metals from the long side. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.